Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to do PPC keyword research using Semrush. Essentially, we're diving into how you can leverage this powerful tool to dominate your niche in Google Ads. So by the end of this video, you will not only understand how to analyze your competitors' PPC strategies, but you will also be equipped with all the tools needed to create winning campaigns that drive results. So let's jump right in and unlock the potential of your PPC advertising. To get started, you will need a Semrush account, and if you don't have one already, then no worries, there is a link in the description below. You can sign up for a free plan with Semrush just to test the platform out, but to truly leverage this powerful platform's capabilities, you will eventually need to get one of the plans, and I gotta say that you can save up to 17% when paying annually. So Semrush is an invaluable tool for digital marketers, and its capabilities in the realm of PPC advertising are truly impressive. For this video, I'm going to be using Best Buy as an example, which will provide us with plenty of data to work with. So once you've logged into your account, navigate to the left sidebar and look for the advertising section. From there, we want to click on advertising research, and this is where we are going to do our work. We'll begin by doing a deep dive into a competitor PPC strategies. So now that we've got to the right section, let's say that I'm going to start my analysis. For this video, I'm choosing Best Buy. And here's how we would approach this. You start by entering Best Buy in the domain field. And for example, let's say that we are competing against Best Buy for selling Samsung products. So I can use the filter to include only keywords containing Samsung. Analyze the results, including the number of keywords, monthly clicks, and the ad spend. After that, we get an initial overview that gives us a wealth of information. We can see that Best Buy is targeting 365 Samsung related keywords, generating about 27.7 thousand clicks per month and spending around $29,000 on these ads. Semrush does not just provide current data, it also offers historical insights. By adjusting the date range to 2 years, we can observe long-term trends in Best Buy's PPC strategy for Samsung products. For example, we can see that there was a big spike around October 2022, and this kind of information is very important for marketers as it helps us understand how market conditions affect PPC strategies in our niche. Next up, let's take a closer look at the specific keywords that Best Buy is targeting. We can of course sort these by search volume to identify the most popular terms. So right off the bat, I can see that the most popular item being sold is the Samsung refrigerators. The very next one that is being searched for is the Samsung dryer and the Samsung dishwasher. There is also the Samsung 65-inch TV and a Samsung washing machine. And this diverse mix of keywords gives us insight into Best Buy's comprehensive PPC strategy, targeting both broad and specific customer intents. Of course, keywords are just part of the story. The landing pages associated with these ads are equally crucial. So let's take a look at where Best Buy is sending their traffic to. By examining their landing pages, we can see that Best Buy is not just promoting AirTags, but also accessories like holders and straps. So we can learn from this comprehensive approach that caters to various customer needs and potentially increases the average order value. Next up, let's turn our attention to the ad copy itself. Semrush allows you to see the exact ads Best Buy is running for each keyword. For example, we've got this ad copy for the Best Buy appliance deals. Again, make sure the filter is set to Samsung if you are researching that or whatever you are researching. And then we can see an ad for a Samsung QLED TV. And it reads, "Find the perfect screen for your entertainment space. Shop Samsung QLED TVs at Best Buy." There's also the Samsung unlocked phones, Samsung QLED TVs again, the Neo QLED TVs, and a Samsung washers and dryers, etc. This simple yet effective ad copy directly addresses the product and its primary benefit. By studying these ads, we can gain insights into effective messaging in our niche. So after having all this information and competitive intelligence, you are now in a great position to craft your very own PPC strategy. Of course, you don't want to blindly copy what others are doing, but to use these insights as a foundation for your own unique approaches. I would highly suggest finding keywords that your competitors might be overlooking, create more compelling ad copy based on what's working in the market, and finally design landing pages that address customers' needs more effectively than your competitors. And now you should have a much more solid grasp of how to use Semrush to inform and improve your PPC campaigns. PPC success is not about having the biggest budget, it's about being smarter with your strategy and execution. And that's exactly why tools like Semrush give you the insights that you need to compete effectively even against larger competitors. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this guide to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.